Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download Apple TV app in your Windows 11. To do so, first of all open your laptop and log into your account. Now in your taskbar click on the Windows icon and search for Microsoft Store. Now, now after opening Microsoft Store and search for Apple TV app. Now click on it and click on get. After it gets installed, click on open and click on agree and click on start watching Apple account. You are ready to use it, and that's how you install Apple TV app in your Windows 11. Thank you for watching and follow us for more tips and tutorials.